Greetings students, welcome back again. Students, in the previous video I have told you about the art integrated project and how to make it, but I forgot to tell you about the last date up to when you have to submit or up to when you have to make. My dear students, today is 28th of November and last date of making this project for each and everyone. Listen to me carefully my dear students, all have to make. It is compulsory, must है, इसको इग्नोर नहीं कर सकते, मना नहीं कर सकते, सबको बनाना है, लड़कियों को भी लड़कों को भी. Each and every student has to make this project. How to make I have told you, and you can use your ideas, imagination, creativity, art skills. इसको जितना सुंदर बना सकते हैं उतना सुंदर बनाए. Use pictures after making. Suppose you have made the file, then you can file hard copy, everyone has to make it, and after making the file you can make a small video of that and of 1 or 2 minutes, but I would suggest you don't make the video, just make the project file, and that file should be best in looking, appearance, decorate, use pictures and all that thing. Last date to make, up to when you can make, after that you cannot make, is I would give you 7th of November. After that you cannot make this project or you cannot submit it. I will check it. You have to click your photograph of the project. If the school opens, I will check in schools. If school does not open, then you will click you will click the picture of your project and you will send it to me. You will WhatsApp me. The file you will make, A4 sheets, you use color and use your imagination, creative skills, creativity, imagination, innovation, and उसको जितना अच्छा बना सकते हो, as beautiful as you can make it. All the best. I have told you how to make it. You have to write one speech, right? You have to write one speech, how you would include the glimpses of India chapter from your first flight book, and how would you mention Coorg in the starting. Then you will tell that I am giving you a glimpses of a small district of India which is Coorg, situated in Karnataka. What is it famous for? Now I will tell you about, give you the glimpses of another 2 states, Haryana and Telangana. Then you will compare them, 4 to 5 pages, and speech likhni hai. You will use pictures also, famous foods, famous sports, famous dance form and Telangana history and all that I have told you. And make all the best, make the best project. Now my dear students, we will move on to our syllabus of footprints without feet. There is a chapter left which is Bholi. The chapter after the hack driver, chapter left is Bholi. So my dear students, before we go on to the explanation of this chapter, I would like to give you a brief, very brief introduction. This story I have prepared for you all. This story has been written by K.A. Abbas. The writer or author of the story is K.A. Abbas. It is about the transformation, change होना, पूरी तरह से बदल जाना, of a young timid girl, डरी सहमी कमज़ोर सी लड़की, into a bold young woman capable of taking her own decision. So this story is written by K.A. Abbas and it is about the transformation, पूरी तरह से परिवर्तन हो जाना. Transform. You see a girl or a boy very timid, very shy, very fearful, afraid, not reserved, not have the confidence to talk to someone or give answers to someone, and then you, after some time, years or months, you see that the same boy or girl has become more confident, more skillful, more he has become a bold, confident young boy or girl or man or woman over the years, and he's become open. He is more talkative now. He is giving answers. He is capable enough to take his decision. So it is about that small girl named Bholi and her transformation. So I would like to give you a summary. I would like to tell you the summary of this story, my dear students. So the summary is as follows. From her very childhood, Sulekha alias Bholi was a little slow, बचपन से ही little slow. She was the fourth daughter and seventh and youngest child of Nambardar Ramlal. So her father name was Ramlal and she was the fourth daughter and the youngest, seventh in the family, fourth in daughters, four daughters, three brothers, and she was the youngest, मतलब सबसे छोटी थी वो. When she was 10 months old, she had fallen from her coat on her head. सर के बल वो गिर गई थी. When she was only 10 months old, this had perhaps damaged some part of her brain and she was therefore a backward child. Due to the injury on her head, that when she fell when she had fallen from her coat and on her head, सर के बल वो गिर गई थी, सर पे चोट लगी थी. This accident damaged some part of her brain and she was therefore, तब से वो एक backward child थी, पीछे पिछड़ गई थी वो. Also when she was 2 years old, she had an attack of स्मॉल पॉक्स. चिकन पॉक्स होते हैं माता जिनको हम बोलते हैं. ओनली हर आइज वर सेव्ड ड्यू टू दैट स्मॉल पॉक्स. छोटी माता जिसको हम बोलते हैं. एंड ड्यू टू दैट स्मॉल पॉक्स ओनली हर होल बॉडी वॉज कवर्ड विद दैट स्मॉल पॉक्स. ओनली हर आइज वर सेव्ड. हर इंटायर बॉडी वॉज परमानेंटली डिसफिगर्ड बाय डीप ब्लैक पॉक मार्क्स. और जो धब्बे छूट जाते हैं उसकी पूरी की पूरी बॉडी में वो धब्बे छूट गए थे और पूरी बॉडी बहुत बेकार हो गया था. शरीर पूरा चिकन पॉक्स, स्मॉल पॉक्स के निशान रह गए थे और वो बहुत ही काले धब्बे छूट गए थे. शी कुड नॉट स्पीक अंटिल शी वॉज 5. जब तक वो 5 साल की नहीं हो सकी वो बोल भी नहीं सकती थी. एंड देन ऑल्सो शी स्टैमर्ड when she spoke. और जब वो बोलना शुरू करी आफ्टर द 5 years, शी यूज टू स्टैमर, हकलाती थी ठीक से, लाइक ठीक से बोल पाती नहीं थी, लाइक हकलाना. दिस इज़ व्हाट वी कॉल हकलाना, स्टैमरिंग. सो वो हकलाती थी. आफ्टर 5 साल का बाद तो उसने बोलना शुरू किया. Normally kids speak in 1.5 years or maximum 2 years, but she started speaking until she was 5. 5 साल तक बोल नहीं पाती थी. And when she started speaking, she used to stammer. The other children made fun of her. Therefore, she spoke very little. So other children of her age used to make fun of her, and that's why she started speaking very little. उसने whenever she used to speak, she used to stammer, and other children used to make fun of her. That's why she decided that I would speak less, very little. तो उसने ना बिल्कुल बोलना ही बंद कर दिया. When Bholi was 7 years old, all her elder sisters were married or their marriage had been fixed. Ramlal was worried about Bholi and her marriage. So it is a very old story. So it is child marriage used to happen at that point of time. So जब उसकी सारी बहनें, वो सबसे छोटी थी, when she was 7 years old, all her elder sister, उसकी जो बड़ी बहनें थी सबकी शादियाँ तो हो चुकी, because she was the youngest, right? So and she was the youngest one. तो अगर 1-1 साल का भी गैप है सब में, तो the eldest sister must be 15 or 16 years old or 18. So all her elder sister were married or their marriages had been fixed. या तो सबकी शादी हो चुकी थी या फिर सबकी शादी फिक्स हो चुकी थी. And Ramlal, her father, was very worried about her marriage. The same year, a primary school for girls was opened in their village. The village Tehsildar asked Ramlal to send his daughters to the school to obey his older orders. Bholi was sent to school. For the first time, Bholi was dressed up decently by her parents. She was bathed, oiled, and given new and decent clothes to wear. Bholi was terribly frightened and resisted to go to the new place. When she was 7 years old and her father was worried about her marriage, same year one primary school was open in their village, and the village Tehsildar asked Bholi's father to send the daughters in the school. So he decided that Bholi would go. First time in her life in 7 years she was first time she was sent to school. For the first time, Bholi was dressed up decently by her parents, bathed, oiled, and given new and decent clothes to wear. First time it happened in 7 years that she was bathed properly, given new clothes, dressed up nicely in decent clothes, and given new and decent clothes by her parents. Because she used to look ugly, there was marks of black spots, marks on her body. So her teacher, but she was terribly frightened, बहुत ही भयभीत थी, and resisted to go to the new place. और उसने विरोध भी किया कि मेरे को स्कूल नहीं जाना है. Her teacher took special interest in Bholi. She spoke to her softly and patted her with love whenever she stammered. और उसको बहुत अच्छे से बात करती थी, प्यार से बात करती थी. उसने बहुत पैम्पर किया, बहुत प्यार से बात की. और जब भी वो अकलाती थी तो उससे बहुत अच्छे से बात करती थी. When Bholi entered the room, Bholi could not understand what the lady teacher had asked. She was afraid, terribly frightened and scared. She sat silently and submissively looking at the pictures on the wall. When she entered in the class, she did not understand what the teacher had asked. She sat silently and looking on the pictures on the wall. On being asked the name, Bholi started crying. When she failed to answer due to stammering, she told her that when she would become learned, the teacher told her that when she would become learned, means educated, she would not have any fear of anyone. She can answer them. She encouraged her, and because of the encouragement and motivation from the teacher, Bholi found new hope in her teacher's words and resolved to study hard. उसने कड़ी मेहनत करने का, पढ़ाई में मन लगाने का फैसला किया. She got motivated. The years passed. कई साल बीत गए. The village became a small town. The little primary school became a high school. A cinema had opened under a tin shed, and a cotton ginning mill had also opened. The mail train had begun to stop at the village railway station. So years passed. These changes occurred when the years passed. The village became a small town. Primary school turned into a high school. There was mall open. Mail train started. A cinema had opened, and the mail train had begun to stop at the railway station of the village. One night after dinner, Ramlal asked his wife if he could accept Bishambar's proposal for marriage with Bholi. Bishambar was a rich grocer, but his age was equal to Bholi's father's age. So he also walked with a limp, and the children from his first wife were quite grown up. So one night the Bholi's father was just asking from Bholi's mother that should he accept the proposal of Bishambar to marry Bholi, and he is as old as Bholi's father. He had a limp, मतलब थोड़ा लंगड़ा के भी चलता था, and his children from the first wife were grown up, बड़े हो चुके थे. Bholi's mother was not deterred by these facts, and she only wanted to see Bholi married, and therefore asked Ramlal to accept the proposal. Bholi wasn't asked, and neither did she say anything. So Bholi's mother, by these facts, she did not deter. मतलब उसका decision change नहीं हुआ. She only wanted to see her daughter get married, and she said, okay, let's just accept the proposal so that my daughter would be married. Bholi से नहीं पूछा गया, ना ही Bholi ने कुछ कहा. Bishambar Nath came with a big marriage party with pomp and show. Pomp and show means huge, baja gaja baja ke huge decoration and all that. Ramlal was overjoyed to see such pomp and splendor. Bholi's elder sisters were envious of her luck. So Bishambar Nath came with a pomp, band baja and barat काफी बड़े से तैयारी करके आता, and Ramlal was overjoyed by seeing this, but Bholi's elder sister was envious with her luck. When the auspicious moment came, Bholi was led to the bride's place near the sacred fire. When the auspicious moment came, आ गया, बारात आ गई, शादी का घड़ी आ गई, शुभ मुहूर्त आ गया, तो उसको पवित्र अग्नि के पास लेके गए. When the bridegroom was about to garland the bride, a woman slipped back the silken veil from the bride's face. So पीछे हटाया उसका जो घूंघट अड़ रहा था वरमाला के टाइम पे, है ना, एक दूसरे को जयमाला पहनाने वाले थे, और जैसे ही तो एक वुमेन ने उसका पीछे किया, वो ब्राइड्स के फेस से पीछे किया. बिशंबर टुक अ क्विक ग्लैंस. ही सॉ द पोक मार्क्स ऑन द फेस ऑफ भोली. बिशंबर ने तिरछी नज़रों से उसको देखा पूरा कि उसके चेहरे पर दाग हैं, काले दाग हैं. He said if he was to marry her, her father must give him 5,000 rupees. Ramlal pleaded with him and asked him to accept a smaller amount, but Bishambar was unmoved. At last, Ramlal gave him the money for his honor. So after seeing the dog, he demanded that he would only marry Bholi when he will get 5,000 rupees. Ramlal pleaded him, भीख मांगी, विनती करी कि कुछ पैसे कम कर दे, but he did not do that, and at the end he gave him 5,000 rupees. When Bishambar was about to garland the bride, what happened? The bride unveiled her face and her hand struck out like a streak of lightning, and the garland was flung into the sacred fire. When Bishambar was just about to garland, जयमाला पहनाने वाला था, भोली just bride means भोली here unveiled her face, उसने चेहरे से घूंघट हटाया, and her hand struck out like a streak of lightning, and the garland was flung into the sacred fire. उसने बिजली की तेजी से जयमाला को आग में फेंक दिया. She asked her father in a clear and loud voice to take back the money. She refused to marry the man who was mean, greedy, and Other women wondered how Bholi, a harmless dumb cow, had become so violent. She told her father in a loud and clear voice that she will not marry with this man and take the money back. And the other women who have seen Bholi, who was quiet, shy girl, dumb cow, गधी समझते थे उसे सब, coward समझते थे, डरपोक, and she became so violent. From where did she get so much confidence? She became violent and all that. Bishambar Nath and his party went back. Ramlal stood rooted to the ground, his head bowed low with grief and shame. He asked Bholi what they would do with her. Bholi told her. Bishambar Nath, after he felt insulted and he went back with his party and all. Ramlal stood rooted to the ground, वहीं पे खड़ा हुआ, because for a father of a girl whose bride, whose would-be groom go back, and her marriage is broken, her daughter did not get married. So what did he do? He stood there, he was shocked, and his head bowed low with grief and shame. और दुख हो रहा था, बहुत शर्म हो रही थी उसकी, आ रही थी. He asked Bholi what they would do with her. उसने भोली से पूछा कि what would they do with her, क्या करेंगे अब वो उसके साथ, क्या करें उसका. Bholi told her father that she would serve them in old age. She would teach in the same school where she had learned so much about life. So Bholi told her father that it's okay, I did not get married, I can serve you in your old age. In old age, she would and I would do the job in the same school, who had taught me a lot about life. Her teacher supported her and expressed her satisfaction in her decision. She felt a deep satisfaction as an artist completing her masterpiece. So her teacher supported Bholi in her decision. Whatever decision she took, teacher supported him, and she felt really happy and satisfied as she had completed one painting or her masterpiece, because she was happy by the transformation of a timid, shy, conservative, reserved nature girl who was very scared of speaking, who used to stammer, and she stopped talking, or she started talking very little because other children used to make fun of her. And by the times, gradually with the time, with the motivation and support of her, she transformed herself into a bold woman who can take the decision for herself. And she was really happy by seeing that Bholi took her stand, and she stood against the man who was very greedy and mean, and she said, I don't want to marry. She took a decision, and she stood by her decision. She, when her father asked her what would they do with her, she said, I would serve you in old age, and I would work in the same school where I have got my education, and that school had taught me a lot of about life. I would work there, and teacher was very happy by seeing all this thing. So my dear student, this was the summary of this chapter. In tomorrow's class we will start the explanation of the chapter. Until then, please take care of yourself and your family members. Thank you very much.